Hey, what's going on guys? Welcome back to the channel. Time to talk TWEAKS. For those who already jailbreak their devices on iOS 13, 13.5, 13.7, even iOS 14 up to 14.1, and also iOS 14.2. Those Cydia tweaks will be for you. So before I'm gonna start today's video, let me asking you guys to give the video a big thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you'll be notified always whenever I release a new Cydia tweaks video. Alright, let's go ahead right now to start talking about today's tweaks, and number one on my list will be the CC Square. This is gonna be for your CC. Let me show you guys what I mean here. So after you download the tweak, your CC will become just like a square like that, the way you see it right now. This is some of the things that comes after you install the tweak in your iPhone. If you go ahead and navigate to under the settings, once you navigate to under the settings, go ahead first of all enable the tweak. If you want the time and other stuff like the line, if you want to stop the Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and the fast center, something like that. So the switch will be here for toggle, untoggle the option that you would like to. And once you're done, you need to make sure to reset your device, so your device will be take the effect. Once again, you will be find some of the stuff, all the manuals, and some of the things inside your CC comes like that. Even if you want to see your volume HUD here will be the same and match. Some of the things comes under your CC. Anyway guys, if you guys looking to download this one will be called the CC Square. Let's move on right now to talking about the other Cydia tweak. The other one will be called the Kleidaria. So what the tweak pretty much will be provide you with once you install the tweak. That tweak, once you want your phone or face it down, will be unlock your device just like that. So if you want to download that tweak, once you download the tweak, let me show you guys once again. Face down, it will be lock the device just like that. So once you download the tweak, that tweak doesn't have anything to configure, just go ahead download the tweak. After you download the tweak, go ahead reset your device, so your device will be take the effect, and this is the only thing that the tweak comes with. So if you guys looking to download that tweak, as I told you guys, this one will be called the Kleidaria. Moving right now to talking about the other Cydia tweak, the other one will be called the Checkra1n. So this is gonna be for your Spotify, if you already using your Spotify to listening for your music. So let me show you guys what that tweak will be provide you with. If we go ahead right now and launch my Spotify here, when you're listening into your music using your Spotify application, you can check your lyrics at the bottom here. So you can take a look once you hit the play button here. If you just swipe that up, let me show you guys here, just like that, you can see right now, and then you can read the song. You might listening into the new song or something like that. This is how is the tweak will be came, and this is how is the tweak will be add into your Spotify audio or video whenever you want to listen for, or you're listening into your song. It comes with that option right there. This is what pretty much the tweak will be provide you with. Once you download the tweak comes with no configuration. Just go ahead download the tweak. After you install the tweak, go ahead reset your device, launch your Spotify application. Once you press on the play button to listening or any one of the music, you will be see your lyrics will be appear just like that. So if you guys looking to download this one as I told you guys will be called Checkra1n. And moving right now to talking about the other Cydia tweak, the other one pretty much is not a tweak, it is a widget. You guys can take a look right now here. This is called a widget. 14 will be bring the iOS 14 widget into your iPhone. So no matter what, if you already jailbreak with iOS 13 up to 13.5, you can still bring the iOS 14 widget into your iPhone. So let me show you guys how is that will be work. Navigate to under the settings here, and of course if you want to use the widget, you need to have the XHTML. Going into the home screen and showing you guys the name here. This is the widget 14. Pretty much this one will be came in different kind of toggles here, so you can see. Let me showing you the three of them because it comes with the three different kind of layers or stuff. One of them I already hide it from in here. Let me showing you guys. Tap on save. Pretty much those comes as a three different kind of widget. So this is one of them right now here. You can add this one for your date and time will be here, or if you want the battery one, or if you want the only the weather one or your battery, the one of these right now here. Even the widget comes with a scale, comes with a clock, comes with use different kind of things. You can take a look at it. So no matter what kind of widget you want to add into your springboard, you can hide, you can toggle the one that you would like to from in there. So also one of the options if you want to use the light widget or the dark one. So this is one of the options right now here. So once you're done from all those configuration, if you make any kind of configuration, go ahead and tap on the save here, will be at the top. Once you choose the one that you would like to, tap here and you will be good to go, just like that. So if you guys looking to bring the iOS 14 widget into your iPhone, go ahead and download the widget 14. Moving right now to other one, and as far as we're talking about the widget, what about the one that I already download? Let me show you guys and give you guys the name of this one. This one will be called the IDM Widget 042. So once you tap on it, this is the style of this one here, which is in my opinion with all those colors. I mean, really nice and beautiful in a specific wallpaper, but it looks really nice. If you tap on the settings here, the only thing that comes with that widget will be the scale. If you want to change the scale, it's going to be up to you. If you make any kind of change, you need to tap on done, will be save that option for you. So this is how it's going to be looks like. And once again, if you want to pause the video, you want to take a screenshot, of course I will be leave the name with the source will be in the description down below for you guys. Once again guys, this one will be called the IDM Widget 42. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you like the video, make sure to give the video a big thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you will be notified always whenever I release a new Cydia Tweaks video. Catch you with the next one. Peace out.